I am saying no way. Are you okay? Oh, sorry. Tell you why, sister. I will tell you, sister. I'm sorry. This is me. I'm Shabir. You are?
Betty.
Sorry, sister. 1 second.
He's saying he's God.
1 second.
Yeah.
It is.
You say those actual words, which is very silly. Yeah. Very silly. You don't demand that of God. You don't demand that of God.
I'm not
do that.
Very logical. If I were to tell you, before Abraham was, I am, and before he could finish, he stopped.
That's the funniest thing I ever heard.
I just said exactly.
No,
but
no.
what? Let me finish.
Rubbish.
I think
rubbish. Because what did
Betty,
they do
can I
after
finish?
that?
Betty,
What
can I
did
finish?
they do after that?
Not only
Shabir,
but let me
is your name
Betty,
Shabir?
Betty, can I finish?
They
I know
picked
you.
up stones to stone him.
Exactly.
Because he
Now,
said, I am.
oh no, 1 second.
And you
1 second.
have never read Exodus 3, have you?
Wait, can I finish?
What's Exodus 3
Right,
say?
can I finish? Before you go to Exodus, let me ask you
What
this.
does Exodus 3
1
say,
second,
Shabir?
let me
What does
ask you
Exodus
this.
3
1
say?
second. Let me ask you this.
That's the
If-
funniest interpretation.
Okay, so they pick up stones to stone him when he makes the
Why?
claim.
Why?
1 second,
Why?
because according to you, he made the claim before Abraham was. He was claiming divinity by saying
Why do
before.
Jews pick up stones?
1 second,
Why?
I'll tell you. Yeah, the 3. Okay, let's look at it.
Why do Jews,
Oh,
Shabir? Why do
wait,
Jews
wait,
pick
wait,
up
wait, wait,
stones?
wait.
Tell me, Shabir.
Because they claimed that he was
No,
he was
because
he
if
was
someone claims
claiming
to
divinity. Exactly.
exactly.
I agree. But
So
now
the
let's look at the
Jews
evidence.
knew
Betty,
by saying,
Betty,
I
Betty, Betty.
am, this is the
No.
meaning of God's name that he gave to Moses.
Betty.
Because in the meaning of God's name, and the
Betty.
I am, and then Yahweh
Betty,
is his name.
Betty,
okay? They knew he was claiming divinity.
I know you want to believe that,
Yeah.
but that's up to you. Now I am saying to you, look,
Let's go to Exodus.
let's go to there
go to
and let's
Exodus
see what
3.
the evidence actually says.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Why is it that Muslims are so desperate to deny
Betty,
Jesus' divinity?
Betty,
Tell me,
Betty,
tell me.
Betty.
I'm really interested.
If
in
you are
that.
interested, allow me to finish.
Why are Muslims so desperate to
Because
deny
it-
Jesus' divinity when he says it all the way through? Can you tell me why? Why?
Are you finished?
Why are you desperate to manipulate the text to fit your agenda?
Are you finished?
Shabir, I want an answer. I want an answer.
If you allow me to speak, you may get an
You've been
answer.
speaking all the time, Shabir.
What?
So
You are asking the question. Logic dictates that you allow me to answer.
I'm asking you.
Okay, what are you asking
Why are you so desperate to deny
Okay.
Jesus' divinity
Number-
when it's clear he's divine
Number-
according to the Bible?
Yes. No, yeah. Number,
Actually, that evidence is very
Betty.
clear. If you go to Exodus 3, it's powerful.
Betty, number
Very
one.
powerful. Did he say? Did Jesus just say I am, or did he use the emphasis version?
Oh, right,
He
the
said, "Ego
emphasized
eimi."
version.
Do you know
Oh,
what
right,
ego
ego
eimi
me,
means?
yes,
That's
I do.
It's pointing to a title. It's pointing to an emphasis.
we go to the
He didn't use
evidence?
normal English.
Betty,
or
can we go to
normal
the evidence?
English as in his language, pretend it's
Betty,
English.
can we go? I know that's all. Let's go.
If Jesus was going to just in his normal language,
Betty,
which
can
would
we
have been
just-
Hebrew Aramaic,
Betty, can
he
we just
would
go
have
to
said
the
I am,
evidence?
but he didn't just say I am. He said ego ami. So he's pointing to something very unique
Is
and
it?
something Muslims ignore this.
Is it?
Muslims ignore this. Because
Can we
you're
go to the
desperate
evidence?
to prove he's not divine. But let's
You're
have a look.
entitled to your opinion, but
have a
let's go
look.
to the evidence.
If-
What stones? Yes, he stopped conversation.
No,
Let me
no.
just finish.
I tell you the solemn truth.
Betty, I allowed
am
you to speak. Can I
exclamation
now?
mark. No,
Yeah,
Shabir,
no.
don't.
In the
Shabir.
original, there were no exclamation marks. Now,
I am.
okay, tell me.
It's clear because it's a title
Betty,
on itself.
Betty,
It's a title
since
on itself.
you said ego
It's a
ami.
title in itself.
Now, Betty, I've
Okay.
allowed you to speak. Now, listen to me.
Tell, by the way, it's
Betty, let's have a
written, and you can
conversation,
tell by the
Betty.
context,
I hope
okay?
you don't
Do
do
you
the
agree with
shouting
that,
like
Shabir?
Jay Smith does. Please don't do that
Shabir, you agree
respectfully.
with that?
No. Listen to me.
Yeah.
I know you are trying to. I appreciate,
This
but
is a back and forth. It's fine,
I was
Shabir.
about to say, please
Yeah.
make it a back and forth. So,
Here,
Okay, can I-
here. In the
can-
in the Greek, it says then they would picked up stones to stone them.
Betty, I appreciate what you believe. I don't mind, but I did say let's look
You're
at the
imposing
evidence.
on the text, Shabir.
I'm here,
58.
Betty.
Here, you said.
Are we
he's-
going two ways?
You said he was stopped in a sentence. Didn't you say that?
No, I
Your
said,
theory is that
listen,
Jesus
I
was
said,
stopped
no.
halfway.
As he was
It
talking,
doesn't actually allow for that, folks.
actually it does.
Then, no, it doesn't.
Can
Then
I-
they picked up stones to stone him. After
Betty,
he
is
said,
this how
"I
you have
am,"
your conversations all the
Shabir,
time?
After he
Let
said,
me
I
speak.
am,
Let
do
me
you
speak.
agree? After he said, I am, then they picked up stones.
You see, but here is the problem.
See,
I agree.
Your whole idea just fell flat on its face.
I agree, but
You have assessed it, and
Can
I've
I-
just proved you wrong.
can I just?
Shabir, look,
Betty,
I'm being totally
I've-
serious. Look.
I know, but you aren't
I
allowing
am-
me to
I am.
speak. If you allow me
Shabir,
to speak,
We're not allowing each other to speak, okay? We're not allowing each other to speak. But Shabir, he said that I am, and then
Isn't there? You can't even prove me wrong.
I can
So,
prove you wrong very well.
can I finish?
By the
Now, Betty,
context.
you see again, I allowed you to speak
Carry on,
now.
Shabir, carry on.
So there.
And why?
Oh, one second.
I'm an
one
English
second, one
teacher.
second.
Believe me, that's
Why did they
not
pick up
what
stones to
it's
stone
not
him?
what it, it's not what
Can I
it
finish?
implies, Okay.
It's not what it implies. I'm so glad you used the word implies.
What you
because
said is not
Yeah,
upheld
whoa.
by the scripture itself,
Betty,
Shabir. I'm
both of you
afraid.
are not
Let's
even
speak,
allowing
let's
me to
speak,
finish.
Very clear, folks. It's very clear.
I'm
See,
sorry,
It's there
I'm
in the
Shabir, you are?
Shabir, I'm Jay Smith.
Hi, nice meeting you, Jay. Now, if you allow me,
Shabir.
there you go again. Came into existence.
I am.
I am. Then, no, there was no full stop then. Okay? Then, according to you, they picked up
No, not
stones.
according to me. Then they picked up
Shabir,
stones.
everybody believes
Can I-
that.
Everyone. Then
But
they
am I
picked
allowed
up
to
stones.
Entity believes that.
What is the problem here? Are you
There's no problem here.
So can I
There
allow?
is a sequence here.
Okay.
The only reason they picked up stones
Jay,
was because
Jay.
he claimed to be God.
Jay, I would not interfere if you are telling me. Can you give me the same courtesy? Let me finish. I want to give you my point because it's patently obvious we are coming from different
Yeah,
points.
of course,
So allow
of
us to
course.
finish. Logic dictates that. So